Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I have a new friend! They're my new subscriber, gonna be soon! Unsa man ang pangalan? Pangalan ni mo?
Rowena.
Rowena. Lovely. You're so lovely. Ikaw,
Pinky.
Pinky. Pinky. Oh, si Ate Pinky ay. Why are you not wearing pink, Bing? Anong waman siya nang
Pinky as in pinky.
Mga beautiful name. Alam naman kaniya. Sam. Nakoy pa. Ako'y classmate ka pangag Sam. Samuel. Kani.
May.
Ha?
May.
May? Ang sasunod sa May?
June.
May inyo. May June. Kaning si Mrs. Handsome.
Mario Deco, Mario.
Mario, Super Mario.
Raul.
Darna.
Darna.
Bakit ay mo yun?
Darna.
Raul.
Asa may imong tuan? Asa imong name? Ano?
Ramonito.
Ramon nito. Dara ay ang mga friends. Mga gwapo. Mga beautiful names son. Oh. YouTube ha? Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And hit the notification bell too. Bye. What is her name? Hey guys, I have a new friend again. Her name is Gian, right? Gian, yeah. Yeah, she's my new subscriber. She's my new friend. Say cheese. She is working in here. Beautiful shoes. Whatever you name it. It's at her. Beautiful. Everything here is beautiful. So you need to come here and buy it all. So you can have money. So let's see. Hi, mauni ang akong new subscriber. Si Ate.
Waka kaila din ako di ay Jaya mo.
Okay, now we're at Wolf or World of Fun. Wolf World of Fun. I wanna play this. Look at this all of there. Look at there. Fun. So I wanna try playing it right now. So you can see. Okay guys, this is one of them. And this is a game. Oh God.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. Oh, wow! They look. So let's see if we can have tokens, guys.
Karing kuhan daw ako.
Dito na lang.
guys, that was so fun. So fun. I wanna play it again. It's like I wanna play it infinite. It's really infinite. Yeah. And also I have a new friends that I show you like in the previous minutes ago, and they're really friends, and they're going to subscribe my YouTube channel. So, and now we're done and we're going home. So please like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell, ding ding ding, and click it to us to watch more fun videos like this. So, bye.